So hi, Chris. We're here at Buchler and Friends, and you're going to show us the Chord, right?
Yes. Hey, I'm glad to talk to you and all the viewers at sonicstate. My name is Chris. I'm from Sound Workshop. Last time I talked to you at Super Booth, I was showing my expressive monosynth Wiggler. But right now I'm kind of on a side quest to gain experience before I go back to Wiggler, and that is Chord, which is just it's a drone synth, which means that when you turn it on, sound comes out. And I think there's a lot of drone synths out there that can make pretty harsh sounds with one or two notes at a time. What this one does, it has 4 notes, so you can make chords. With 4 notes, you can start making some flavorful chords. You tune the 4 sawtooth waves with these long sliders. You mix them with the short sliders, and then you use the knobs to shape the sound. But I think we can get into the details when we're playing. Should I?
Well, yeah,
should I
let's
show you
hear
some
it.
sound?
Yeah, cool.
All right, so let's just see what chord is playing. So what I like to do is bring in the notes one at a time. By the way, the filter is adapted from this filter called PosiCell Eurorack. This is a 100% analog circuit designed by Carson from DecaPod Devices. And once you, that was accidentally a good note. So once you have a drone that you like, you can shape it with the filter. There's also an LFO that modulates the filter. And then a distortion to kind of glue everything together. And what I love to do is use the filter resonance as a 5th voice to make extended chords. Sounds pretty good. And you can even play melodies with the resonance. And another fun feature is this button here momentarily boosts the resonance, so you can bring that resonance voice in and out. I think that's it.
How far along in the production are we? Are we
I just opened up pre-orders last night. I have enough parts to make about 40 units, so I put 30 units up for sale, so I have some buffer zone, and I'm going to be shipping them in April.
Brilliant. And price?
$399.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Chris, thank you very much for speaking to us.
Thanks a lot. Oh, can I show you one more thing?
Yes, please do.
The LFO. So this is the LFO, and this is the little LFO menu section. Let's see if we can get that nice and close. There's a sine wave and a sawtooth wave, and then, of course, the LFO can modulate the filter, but if you flip this switch up, the LFO goes into the audio mix.
Right,
so you can imagine the audio mix is like this big soup of sound, and the LFO pushes it up into the clipping threshold. And that makes like a bass drum and a sidechain effect, which is pretty awesome to have in such a tiny unit.
Can we hear a bit of that?
Yeah. So this is that bass drum effect that I was describing. So yeah, I often just sit here. I think I've spent like dozens of hours just exploring chords. Cool. All right, that's all I got.
Thank you very much, Chris.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Chord Harmony Exploration Machine. Pre-order today. Bye.